This guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially resolve lag spikes in Counter-Strike 2 CS2 for a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your setup. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for CS2. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and operating system. If your hardware is below the requirements, consider upgrading. Step 2. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can improve performance and reduce lag. Step 3. Optimizing game settings. Launch CS2 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows. This can help improve performance and reduce lag spikes during gameplay. Step 4. Check network connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, as it is generally more reliable than Wi-Fi. Additionally, close any background applications that may be using bandwidth. Step 5. Adjust game launch options. Right-click on CS2 in your game library and select Properties. In the General tab, find launch options and enter commands like novid and hide to improve performance. This can help reduce lag spikes during gameplay. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize lag spikes and enhance your gaming experience in CS2. Enjoy your game.